Everybody loves a good winter wonderland, but have you met its wildest residents? First up, the Arctic fox. With its white coat, it blends right into the snowy landscape. Arctic hares are hopping around with their thick fur and powerful hind legs. And look at the Atlantic puffin, diving into icy waters with its bright orange beak. Beluga whales, also known as the canaries of the sea, sing their way through pack ice. Harp seal pups with their fluffy white coats are expert swimmers. Then there's the muskox, sporting a thick coat to brave the brutal cold. Narwhals, the unicorns of the sea, flaunt their spiral tusks. Polar bears, the ultimate predators of the Arctic, roam with their powerful build. Snowy owls with their piercing eyes are master hunters. And finally, the walrus, with its long tusks and blubbery body, loves a good clam feast. So which Arctic animal is your favorite? Let us know in the comments.